Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2241 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, May 30th, 2020 at 11:21 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:21 p.m. Central Time, and 8:21 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have CS with 5 spots, Triple B 1 spot, EDK 1 spot, Birdie 2, CBD cards 1 spot, BE 3, Velma 2, Hosier 2, Buy My Cards Daryl with 2 spots, Hosier 505 with 2 spots, and Mile with 11 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. CS on top, Mile on the bottom, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Hosier on top, Mile on the bottom. We have Hosier with the Cardinals, CS Falcons, Mile Ravens, BE Bills, Triple B Sack with the Panthers, EDK with the Bears. We have Mile with the Bengals and Browns, CS Cowboys, Mile with the Broncos, Buy My Cards Daryl with the Lions and Packers, Mile Texans, Hosier with the Colts, BE Jaguars, Mile Chiefs, Birdie Chargers, Velma Rams, Mile Dolphins Vikings, Hosier with the Patriots, Mile Saints, Giants, CBD cards Jets, BE Raiders, CS with the Eagles, Steelers, Birdie 49ers, Hosier with the Seahawks, Velma Buccaneers, CS Titans, and Mile with the Washington Redskins. Okay, guys. There we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top, bottom. Okay, let's see what we have. Empty. And we have Mr. Kirk Cousins, Minnesota Vikings auto. Flawless penmanship, 4 out of 15 for Kirk Cousins. Very nice for Minnesota. You like that. All right. Minnesota Vikings, Kirk Cousins, flawless out of 15. Let's see who has the Minnesota Vikings. What up? Minnesota Vikings, Mile _ 7418. Congrats on the Kirk Cousins flawless penmanship, 4 out of 15. Very nice from break 2241 in the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Then we're on to 2242 and the 2016-17 Panini Limited Basketball card box. Thanks.